Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get the best gadget deals on Newegg this Black Friday. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to get the best gadget deals on Newegg this Black Friday, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up the app and be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then understand Newegg Black November, not just one day, and the Black Friday sales will be listed on your home screen like 72% off on components and storage, up to 63% off on computer systems, and up to 62% off on computer peripherals. Now, rather than a single drop, there are daily doorbusters and rotating tech deals. This gives you more chances but also means you should check this site daily, not just Black Friday. Then some items are labeled with Black Friday price protection badge. That means if the price drops further during the Black November event, Newegg guarantees you are getting a low or the lowest verified price in the 30-day video. Now all you gotta do is plan your build or gadgets list in advance by deciding which gadgets you want to buy or tech you really want, like GPUs, SSDs and RAM or gaming laptops, etc. Use news categories to build and the PC builder parts. Search to pick up your target like components or computer peripherals, and then all you gotta do now is use the price tagging tools. Check with the price tags like camel, and that way when a sale shows up you can check whether it's actually a big discount or just a mild markdown. You can also set alerts by add target items to your Newegg watch list by simply tapping on the add to cart, and then turn on notification if Newegg's app or site allows for when the doorbuster or deal drops happen. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.